we have not any brand name. Information for us. You can see here storage and portable, digital display, support dual charge, power bank. We can use this same power bank, card reader, and USB charger. Yes, this is display, and yeah. Input, output line. Yes, yeah. Input is type C USB, output USB type A, and yes, this is USB 2, and this line also USB 2. Yes, here is a card reader. Please install the battery correctly. Please install the battery correctly. Power display and fit FZ100. This is from my Alpha 6700. Yes, and now I have 96% power. We have here two places for SD card. Okay, I test this some power bank. Output is type A USB to my phone. Yes, start charging my phone. 96% we have power here. And this is cool, not bad. This option is cool. If you have two battery, you can use for example, one battery is 2000, you have power bank 4000 milliampere hour. This two battery now have not any power. You can see here I have not power. Battery number one, and this is also have not any power. I charge one battery in my camera and charge another battery here. This is so very interesting. In my camera we see we have not any power, but here fuck, from 2%, 8%. Holy shit, what is this? Yes, start charging. Yes, you can see this have not power, but scriver here, but right here 11% and 8%. I have not power. Okay. This is not good. This is first file here. Okay, this 8% I charge by camera. And this I charge it by charger and by this charger. Input is red, and now is 20:30. We start charging. After 2 hours, this is 93% charge, but 3145 milliampere. This is not correct. This charger use so much power. You can see, guys, after 2 hours and 40 minutes, 3700. This is charged full, and don't charge more. But 2 watt use this power, this charger. This is so much. 3700 mAh. And we charge next battery by I have not. But not now, tomorrow. Okay, guys, now we start charging battery number 2 inside in camera. This 3000 6 but here in camera this take 12 watt. Now after 1 hour 1700 and take 10 watt 9 watt. After 1 hour and 50 minutes, this is full charge, and capacity is 2000 milliampere hour. You can see, yes, this is full charge. Okay, guys, you see this charger is not very good because use so much power. This electronic inside use so much power. And another thing, this card reader is absolutely bullshit, because this is USB 2, and USB 2, you know, this is very slow, and sometime my video file is 10 gigabyte, sometimes over 10 gigabyte. For 10 gigabyte transfer, I need wait maybe one day. This is I never don't use this card reader, and if you charge one battery for 3 hours. If you charge 2 battery, you need 6 hours. This is very slow. I don't recommend this charger. Just one cool option this charger have. This is you can use this charger same power bank, but I don't recommend it, this charger. You can see this charger not good. This have not any brands.